How to add money to Scalable Capital. Follow my instructions. If you just funded your account and want to start investing, you first need to deposit money into your Scalable Capital account. Here's the easiest way step by step. Open the Scalable Capital app and log in. From the home screen, tap the Menu or Profile tab, then select Deposit Money or Add Funds. Here you'll see your unique IBAN and reference code for transfers. Copy both carefully. IBAN sends money, reference links it to your account. Then open your regular banking app or website. Initiate a SEPA bank transfer to the provided IBAN. Paste the reference exactly as shown to ensure funds arrive correctly. Enter the amount you want to send and complete the transfer. Most deposits arrive in 1 to 2 business days. You'll receive a notification once the funds are available in your account. At that point, you're ready to start investing or set up a savings plan. Want faster access next time? Use the instant transfer option if available in your region. This may process instantly depending on your bank's capabilities. That's how you add money to Scalable Capital quickly and securely in 2025. Thanks for watching.